Hi, I'm Dr. Susan Brown here today with my colleague Heather Felice. Heather and I today are going to talk a little bit about what you can do, actually 6 tips for reducing muscle fatigue, muscle strain, muscle pain after the workouts. I'm going to talk about 2 things actually that we should do before the workout, and then Heather's going to talk about 4 little tips that you might do during the workout. So before the workout, you might wonder, what can I do to reduce my stress that's going to occur after the workout? Number 1, you want to make sure you have appropriate pH balance. You remember our work focuses on reducing acidosis. When we exercise, we produce a lot of acids in the body. If we have a nice alkali reserve, if we have many of alkali precursors, the carbonates, citrates, ascorbates in our tissue, we're going to be able to buffer those acids very easily. So the first thing you want to do to have a successful workout and much less pain when you stop working out is to get your pH in line. The second thing you want to do is have very good stores of the antioxidants. When we exercise, we produce many free radicals. We break down tissue. The breaking down that tissue causes damage. Free radicals are generated. We need to be able to quench those free radicals. My favorite antioxidants, which I always like to have on board, are vitamin C, vitamin E, and quercetin. Vitamin C, of course, is the maternal sacrificial antioxidant. As I mentioned so many times, it's the second most common molecule in every living human cell. Every cell needs it to protect itself from oxidative damage and to produce energy. We want to have plenty of vitamin C on board. We want to have plenty of quercetin, a companion flavonoid, which is very effective as an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and we want to have plenty of vitamin E. Interestingly enough, vitamin C actually helps regenerate other antioxidants like glutathione and vitamin E. So they all kind of go together. A nice colorful diet of fruits and vegetables with vitamin C, quercetin supplementation for sure. Those are the 2 things I like to start out with: good pH balance and adequate antioxidants on board. How about you, Heather? What are your tips to prevent pain and soreness after exercise?
Well, you're exactly right. You want to make sure you have enough antioxidants in your diet because you are inducing some damage to the muscle by working out. But how are you going to repair that damage? You need to make sure you're getting adequate protein. So I personally will try to get some protein in like within an hour of my workout. The research says that it's good to have protein within like the first hour or so. Usually people take about like 20 to 25 grams. Some studies also say that it's good to take a little bit before and then a little bit after to make sure you can absorb even more, to maximize it, because you can only use so much at a time. Protein is very important for muscle recovery. And another source of protein is actually collagen, which we've been looking into a lot for bone and also for muscles. So you can take collagen, maybe like 15 grams. We've seen some studies on 15 grams helping those with sarcopenia post-workout, and they saw great increases in strength and muscle recovery.
And I think they took it within 1/2 an hour after the exercise, taking that 15 grams. The collagen is a very simple amino acid. Marine collagen is 8 of the 9 essential amino acids. Very easy to get those amino acids absorbed. That's a great idea.
So, and then of course you want to make sure you're hydrated. So that's something to do before and after your workout and throughout. So making sure that you're getting in enough water. 8 glasses a day is the typical amount, but
and you might alkalize. You might put a little lemon in there, a little apple cider vinegar, help you even more.
Yeah, you can really maximize that post-workout drink. Have some water with some alkalizing compounds in it, maybe some lemon juice. So, and then what's your favorite tip post-workout?
Well, you know what I do personally and what I really love is to do actually a sauna or a steam bath to relax the muscles. Now, some of you may find out, gee, if I do stretching, it really helps. I kind of get those muscles back relaxed. I personally like to do a sauna. Anytime you sweat, anytime you heat up the skin, you're going to release toxins, plus you relax the muscles. So I like to do a sauna, or I like to do some very nice stretchings. That can be really helpful. And you know, I was going to add, Heather, too, there's several articles on vitamin C actually being very effective to reduce the impact of stress on the muscles and aches and pains after exercise. And what they're saying, maybe 3 or 4 grams. Here at the Center for Better Bones, we like 4,000 or 5,000 milligrams, which would be 4 or 5 grams of vitamin C. We use a ascorbate powder that can be put in a water or a drink. Very good to put in your post-exercise drink. And I personally put some in my pre-exercise drink too, so I have a lot of antioxidants on board when I go to that gym and start kind of kicking up the free radicals. Great ideas. Anything else, Heather? You all set there?
I think that's about it for now.
Just do your exercise. Think about taking some special precautions and you will have much less stress and strain, much less body aches after the workout.